Hey, what's going on, guys? It is Paul Farmer here from paulgfarmer.com. And today, what I'm going to be doing is sharing with you a brand new funnel that was just released. I don't know how long ago it was released. I think it was probably a couple days ago. It's just released. And what it's doing is it's helping you to start earning $1,000 commissions right on the front end. So, along with other commissions as well, multiple streams of commissions. So, this to me is very, very exciting because in late November, I think it was early December, I decided to start a new program that paid $1,000 up front. And the main reason I did that was because I wanted to have something that I could plug people into that could actually create very good income for them very fast, but they would also get the training they really needed to be successful. So now, as you can see, my post I did on Facebook yesterday, make $1,000 without paid ads formula. So you're still going to get access to that formula. You're still going to get access to that training, and it works. It's very effective. So you can still earn for free. But there are people that want a funnel. They want something that's automated that you just run paid traffic to. And up until this point, I really didn't have a great funnel. I was running to a simple capture page to a simple sales page that we had, but I didn't have a full-on funnel, except for what came with the company, which, I wasn't that into. I'm not saying it's bad. It's just I wasn't that into it because I like to make things, I don't know, I just wasn't that into it. So I like to kind of do it myself. But anyway, I'm really excited about this because this is so well put together. It really teaches whoever's going through it exactly what they need to know and why they need to know this information, why they want to make $1,000 right on the front end, why they want to have multiple streams of income, why they need a sales funnel, what works in online marketing, what is the formula, and it teaches them, walks them, holds them by the hand, walks them through it, and it creates multiple streams of income for you. So that's really awesome. So one of the streams that I use, obviously, is Power Lead System. I've talked about this many times. I have hundreds of videos out there about Power Lead System. This is the system I've used to create a full-time income online. I use this system for everything. I've been with them since 2015, and it's a great, great program. Many people missed the boat on this one. I don't know what it is, but they missed the boat and they don't really understand the power of this thing. So I'm going to explain by showing you one of the funnels that was just created, a brand new funnel. The cool thing about Power Lead System is you can create these funnels, these sales funnels, these machines, these sales machines, and you can just give them away to whoever wants them, and then when they're in your system, they can go through and purchase whatever products or programs you have in there. But it works automatically. You get traffic to it and it does its job. It does a ton of selling for you. So it really automates it. And that's one of the things that Power Lead System does, aside from having multiple, all kinds of training, all kinds of tools that you can use for any business. It doesn't matter what you're promoting. Plus it has a very lucrative compensation plan. That's all I'm going to say about this because I really want to focus on the funnel. Okay, so I'm going to jump over here. And I'm going to show you some things, all right? So a funnel consists of a capture page, sales page, it could have a thank you page, sales page, and then email follow-up series. Usually that's what it consists of. So this particular funnel, it promotes 4 different ways to make income, 4 different income streams, starting with a big fat $1,000 instant pay commission program that provides digital training. And when you go through this funnel, you're going to see everything. You're going to go through and everything is explained. Everything is laid out. What works, what doesn't work, everything you could ever imagine is there. Is this something new? Are these funnels something new? These have been around for a long time. People use them all the time. This is not the very first time, but this funnel here, there's many different capture pages you could choose from. So here's one of them. And I really like this one because it's simple. It's simple. And by the way, I should give credit to where credit is due. This is Frank Calabro Jr.'s funnel, okay? His newest funnel to make you bank, to make you very good income. That's what it's set up to do. But So I really like this one because it's very clean, and I'm sure this is going to get a great opt-in rate. I have not ran traffic to this. I literally just set this thing up. I went through it yesterday, and I finished setting it up this morning. Didn't take me long to set up. It took me a little bit longer because I actually integrated it with Aweber, but you can use it straight out the gate right with Power Lead System. Okay, so here we have 100% commissions fast, a real seven-figure blueprint with proven results, Regs Riches Million. I mean, this is just a beautiful looking page. I don't know how it's going to do until you test it, obviously, but this is a beautiful looking page. The only thing I don't like is it doesn't have a micro commitment. So what I mean by that is you have to press a button to enter your email. So that makes people do a micro action to get to the next step. So that usually helps with conversions, okay? But I do like this page. This page is awesome looking. All right, so I'm just going to go through these pages and show you the different pages, and there will probably be more added. He updates them when they need to be updated. But okay, that's a sales page. Let me come back to that later. So here's another one. Let me refresh it because it has a countdown timer. But as you can see, here's another one. Very beautiful page. Again, I haven't tested these. I don't know how they do. I'll be testing them. I'm sure they're doing great. I'm sure Frank's tested them. And if they're not doing great, he's going to update them so they do get great opt-in rates. Because obviously he makes money with this. You know, he did 7 figures with Power Lead System. You know, well, he used Power Lead System as a tool to earn 7 figures plus. I should say that. A powerful, powerful tool that people completely missed the boat on. I don't know what that is about, but okay. So here we are. Here's another page. Beautiful looking page. Again, I don't know how it's going to do. In my experience, when you run solo ads, you want to have something that's super, super simple. Usually the ugliest stuff does the best. You know, the most simple capture pages. But I'll be tested. You know, see how it does. But I like this one. I like the colors. It looks real nice. This is the one I'm using right now. I could change it out. And the reason I selected this one was because of the micro commitment, the micro action. You see, when someone clicks on this button, they have to take a micro action to get to the next step. So that's a little bit of a commitment. Okay, so click there, then they got to go there. Okay, let's see, where was I? There's another one there. I like this one too. It's really cool. It looks really nice. And let's see. This one, refresh. Let me see here. Then there's this one. And as you can see, there's quite a few, okay? Now, once they go through the capture page, they're going to come into the sales page. Now, what I love about what he's done here is he breaks down exactly what is required to be successful online. He breaks it down. He shows you step by step exactly how it all comes together. Not too many people actually do this. Not too many people actually put it all together so it's very understandable. So you know, like, okay, so I need to have online presence. And he explains each one, what each one entails. So, I mean, this is something you probably want to take notes on because this information is what made him a 7-figure plus earner. This is the information. He's given it to you. It's right here, and you can use this funnel. So I think that's awesome. The explanation was very good, how everything comes together. How you have social proof, live media, personal value, lead generate, how it all comes together. It's all explained there in this 31-minute and 42-second video. Then when you go here, and he's also going to explain about why it's important to make $1,000 commissions, what you get as a product. I mean, it's all explained. It's really awesome. And you go right here, you click yes, let me in, and that's going to take you right to the page where you can go ahead and get started and start making those $1,000 commissions. It's going to walk you through exactly how the sign-up process is and everything. You can learn about the products right here, and then you're going to go ahead and click continue. Now, you have 4 steps to follow, and all you do is just click on the different steps. So step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Okay, so step 1 is going to pay you $1,000 commissions. Now there are different product levels there, but you really want to start at the $1,000 level. That's really what's going to separate you. That's really what's going to get you to make real income that really is going to matter in your life. That's really what you want to do. But of course, if you can't do that, there are lower levels. Step 2, so you just go down these steps. Now, when you click on a step, so for example, if I click on step 2, it's going to take me into the Power Lead system, okay? Now, he's going to go over what Power Lead system is. He's going to talk about what Power Lead system has done for him and how it has helped him create 7 figures plus online. And, you know, he's just going to walk you through the process, what it's all about, why you need it, why you want it, what you should do with it, all that fun stuff, okay? And you need Power Lead System for this funnel, which is awesome. So you just click here to get PLS. Now, to go back to the next step, you have to go back to the last tab you had open, and then it will take you to the next step, okay? And you watch the next step, watch the next video, tells you how to get in. This is a very low ticket offer. Anybody and everybody should be able to do this. This doesn't cost hardly anything, okay? There's illustrations and everything, okay? And then, again, if you want to go back, you just click on the last tab. So here we are, last tab, and we go to step 4. Now, step 4 is traffic. Step 4 is something everybody needs. Everybody needs traffic, so it's the perfect fit, right? It works great together. And the thing is, you can earn commissions when people purchase traffic. So when people go through your funnel and they start purchasing, they may not purchase all the streams of income. They might get 1, they might get 2, they might get all of them. You never know. But eventually people are going to want to purchase traffic. So why not provide traffic for them and be able to earn a commission from that as well? I mean, that's awesome. Right? That's awesome. You can use that money to run more traffic. You can use it for whatever purpose you want to use it for. But this is something that is cool, you know, because it's traffic. Everybody needs traffic. It's very important. So there you go. That's really the funnel. Okay. Obviously, I didn't go through all the videos. It's free to do that, by the way. Just click on the link. I'm going to put a link right below this video. Click on the link right below this video. And you're going to go through one of these capture pages. Mine looks like, let's see, until I change it, find it. This is what you're going to see. You're just going to click the yes, enter your email, and go right into, you're going to see the sales page next. You're going to get the emails. The emails are all ready to go. They have your link in them. He walks you through exactly how to set the whole thing up. So this is really cool. And what I really liked about what he did, let me just go back, kind of playing around with this. Okay. What I really liked what he did, and I'm not sure if it was here. No, it wasn't here. Let me go to the next one. Go to step 1. He talks about Bitcoin. And he does a full explanation of Bitcoin wallets, why you want to use Bitcoin. So this is really great, especially for people that don't know what Bitcoin is. And there are people out there that don't. There are people out there that don't know how to set up a Bitcoin wallet. They actually think it's very complicated when it's not. And the great thing about Bitcoin is it's fast, you know. And he even talks about how you don't really want to use PayPal, because PayPal, just recently, they do this every year around this time of the year, they shut down accounts. That's what they do. They do this every time around the holidays. I've seen it year after year after year. And he said he actually lost his PayPal account shut down. So he's just using Bitcoin. Okay, so he has a whole video on Bitcoin, which is awesome. I don't have to go and explain that to anybody. It's right there. Just watch the videos and you know how to do it. So if you want to get this funnel, okay, if you want to get this funnel, you want to start making $1,000 commission. You want to do multiple streams of income. Let me just go back here. Got to find it. Got so many tabs open. You know, go to the link right below in the description below. Click right here. Yes, let me in. Enter your best email and go through the funnel yourself. Pay attention. Take notes. This is the real deal. I'm very excited about it. Understand this, okay? When you join with me, when you go through my funnel, you join the very first product in there, which is the $1,000 product. When you do that, you also get access to a group I am a part of, where we have multimillionaire marketers that are teaching you exactly how to do free strategies to make $1,000 commissions for free. So just to give you an idea of what I'll be doing the free strategies, active marketing part of it, but I will also be running traffic to this funnel. That is my game plan for 2019. That is what I am going to be doing. I'm going to start that today, actually. I'm going to be setting up some email some campaigns, some solo ad campaigns today, and start cranking this thing out, start getting this thing out, because I know it's going to do awesome. And I'm very excited about it, okay? But also, knowing how to do this for free, even if you don't have a paid marketing budget, you can do this for free. I mean, that is powerful. That is powerful. So click the link right below. Go through it, check it out, see what you think. You like it, go ahead and get started. I'm happy to have you as part of my team, and I'll see you on the next one.